Hey, this is Hunter, and this is my bike check. Start off, I have some really crappy Haro forks right here. I have a Haro hub, not sure what size it is, and a Haro rim, and then I have these just standard pegs for grinding. I'm learning how to grind, and I have Haro frame. Kind of sucks. I think it's like 5 pounds. And got these from my friend. These are really nice. I mean, they're pretty nice stock fit bars. And I have these ODI long neck grips. These are really good with ODI bar ends. I love these things. They give you blisters though. Yeah, they're good. And then got a morning ride sticker right there, and fit stem. And also I have a fit seat, and this is pretty good, better than my Haro seat. And I have an Animal, I'm not sure what size, but it's an Animal back tire. And then I have up here, I have a Fit K folding, really good. I kind of want to get a back one, and yeah. And I got some S&M 101 pedals, kind of heavy, but I mean, they do the job. And I have some Primo hollow bite cranks, really good, nice cranks. And over here, my sprocket, I have Shadow Conspiracy 25 tooth with a red V2 interlock chain. Pedal right there, and I love my back wheel. It's a Shadow Conspiracy 2 back rim. I bought the whole thing complete. It was a lot of money. I mean, it's really nice. And then I have my hub guard back here because I don't want my getting all up. So I got that, and then I got another one of these pegs, and that is my bike check.
Hey guys, this is Will Hickson from Chronic Cycles, and today I'm just doing a bike check. So this is my bike. So first of all, let's start with the very front. I got stock Fit Park Signature 2009 rims. Gold ones are pretty nice. And I got the stock pegs. I got some Sabrosa forks, and just the stock tire on there. The stem, which my dad, as you can see, wait, right there, can you see? Lightened. He drilled that out for me. And these are custom aluminum aircraft grade bolts. And let's see, right there, and up here too, by the stem. And I got just the normal stock bars on here from the Park Signature 2009. And I have red ODI grips, long necks, really nice. Down here I got my custom frame my dad made.
Yeah.
Weighs 4.6 pounds. It's chromoly. It's 035 wall up here and back here. And these are just dropouts that we bought. He also machined these 2 head tubes. And right here I got my sprocket Muni bikes. That's a 24 tooth. Just fit. This was the stock chain, a KMC chain. I got these separately, but they look like stock pedals. They're just lighter than the 101 S&M ones, so I bought them because they're plastic, not metal. These are the stock cranks, stock bolts, stock bearings, everything. It's all stock. The only thing that's different really right now is the seat and the tire back here, because that's a new tire that has more tread, makes it easier to pedal up dirt hills and stuff. I got another stock peg, the rim, which is kind of veered off, but now I'm brakeless, so it doesn't really matter anymore. And this is an E-Clat inverted seat right here, as you can see, the blue inside, and the S&M stock seat post clamp. And that's my bike. Okay, total weight for this thing is just around 22.8 pounds. This is very, very light. And right now I have the pegs on, so it's probably just like a few pounds heavier. But I can take them off whenever I want. And I'm not using them, so it's my bike.